In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by accessing settings and clicking on connected devices. Then select pair new device and wait for the available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!